I'm gonna show you some a little tip and trick or whatever if you don't already do it. Save your models as you build them so that you don't have to build it a second time. I'm gonna give you a bit of an example. I'm gonna take just for example, let's just take an urn, and I'm gonna put this down here, and I'm gonna stick a plant on it. We'll throw a hosta. Let's just throw a hosta on there, and then we can stick it in the urn. I know we should probably put soil in there and whatnot, but that's not the point that I'm trying to make here. So you want to save this as a model so you don't have to do it the second time. I like to dump them in accessories. You can put them anywhere you want to put plants. You can even do windows, custom windows, whatever. But I'm going to stick it in accessories. So I'm going to call this urn with custom. That is, yeah, and then we go like that. So now, when you go to your custom items, there it is right there. Next time you don't have to design that. This is my list of stuff over the years that I've accumulated. All these models, everything from boats to storage sheds to whatever you want. A lot of people ask me about downspouts and all that kind of stuff. That's something that I've created in the past, and I use it all the time. Even couches and furniture. If you create a set, save it as a model. You never know when you can use it again. I save my houses. I save everything from privacy panels to pavilions and sheds and you name it. It's all there. And yeah, it takes a long time to create a nice list, but once you've got it, you'll soon be able to cut your time in half when it comes to designing.